see your holiday wish? Where am I? I'm at Splash. Great selection. And it works. Now that's a dream bathroom. They even have gifts. Oh, 35% off. I gotta get over there.
Hey, Mom!
Not now. Mommy's busy. Splash. Make one.
Boston Children's Museum is closed, but you can still play. In this time of social distancing, it's important to stay home. So we're sharing 100 of our favorite ways to play for you at home. Put on a sock puppet show, invent a card game, or plant some seeds and watch them grow. Visit us at bostonchildrensmuseum.org to see how many of these 100 ways to play you can try together. Proudly sponsored by Bernie and Phil's. Stay safe, stay home, and visit us at bernieandphils.com.